Hi and welcome to the Boss Fireworks with me, the Boss Fireworks. Today we've got an unboxing of 3 boxes. I'm testing these out from Discount Fireworks, Leeds. Big shout out to Jim who runs that shop. He's got absolutely amazing prices. I recommend to go check him out. He's got a Leeds Firework one. So if you want a Leeds Firework, you want to celebrate the victory, buy it. It's £45 for 100 shots, 13G. You can't go wrong. I've seen it. It's absolutely banging. It's colourful and nice and pretty, but offers a nice visual boom in perspective. So first we have Bonfire Night by Bright Star. This has net explosive content of 254 grams of net explosive content. Let's get right into it. We have tried to film this about 4 times now. There's been a problem with my phone. We're getting there. So first of all, we have the colourful wheel. Which what you do is you grab this nail, you hammer it to a fence post or something sturdy. You light the green fuse and then make sure it can spin, and then it spins and gives you a visual effect. So this has 2 gerbs and this has a net explosive content of 8 grams. Next we have Olympic Blue, which has an effect of blue torch flame with 6 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Colourful Chrysanthemum, which has green and blue stars with 15 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Mini Cooktail, I believe that's how you sorry, which has a net explosive content of 14 grams with whistling with red and green stars chrysanthemum. Next we have Summer Flower, which has a net explosive content of 14 grams with green stars with white chrysanthemum. I don't know why this one's called chrysanthemum and doesn't offer a chrysanthemum effect, and this one's called Summerflower but has a chrysanthemum effect. Maybe that's a problem with Bright Star and they're talking with China. Next we have Green Dragon, which offers a green glitter, and this has a net explosive content of 12 grams. Next we have Flower Pot, which has blue stars and crackling, 12 grams of net explosive content. Next we have green, and this is Summerflower, red green crackling stars, 12 grams of net explosive content within this one. Next we have Spinning Blossom. I can't speak today, I don't know what it is. 3 times I've got that one wrong. Which has white glitter and crackling stars, 12 grams of net explosive content. This does not offer a spinning effect, it is just a 1 tube effect. So this is what they call a box fountain. So it's inside, you can see there's a box fountain. You tear these off and then it will stop will make sure that the firework does not malfunction. Next we do have Double Happy, you've got to be happy. Reason why I'm singing, because with the latest events with the pandemic due to COVID-19, people have dying and not being able to see loved ones and stuff like that, and people are still dying to this day with it, and the hearts go out to their families, and we always offer emotional support from the Boss Fireworks. So this has a net explosive content of 10.6 grams of net explosive content, which has green stars, silver glitter, whistling. My partner does not like whistling, so she's gonna be a bit like this tonight because all of the whistling fireworks are a bit more louder effects. I believe she could clarify on that one.
You're right there.
Next we have Twin Fountain, which does have two fountains within it, so it ends the way at Twin Fountain. I think they went with the obvious name for this firework, which has a net explosive content of 15.3 grams of net explosive content, colour crackling stars with whistle. Oh, my partner's really gonna hear me after tonight then. Next we have Winter. Now, I don't get what they were going with this packaging because it doesn't look like snowflake, it looks like Spider-Man. This offers blue stars with white glitter, has a net explosive content of 5.2 grams of net explosive powder. Now we've got Spring, which has the effect of blue stars, silver chrysanthemum with 8 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Strength Commando, which has a silver comet. If it says a comet and no other effects, it usually doesn't explode. It offers a visual effect. This has a net explosive content of 6.7 grams NEC. Next we have Floodlight, which I believe is a mine, which has red, green, blue stars with white glitter. This has a net explosive content of 28 grams. Next we have, I believe, it's a smaller mine, I believe. Silver Flower, which has red, green and blue stars and has net explosive content of 9.2 grams. So it's a little version of that one. Next we have Crackling Fountain, which looks like it's a mine, but it could be a fountain. This has white glitter to crackling and has 20 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Golden Flower, which has blue stars to golden chrysanthemum. Next we have White Chrysanthemum, which offers red stars with white glitter, has 17.3 grams of net explosive content. But why does it say chrysanthemum and it doesn't have the effect chrysanthemum in it? That's a bit weird, I believe. I'm sorry if you can hear coughing in the background. It's my partner. We went to the Scarborough yesterday and we was more mesmerised that we could actually go out places and than keeping hydrated, and that's my fault. So yeah, I'm sorry. Next we have Crackling Thunder, 8-shot Roman candle. So if it's a bigger one, comparisons of size, it is a Roman candle, which has crackling comet tails and a net explosive content of 5.1 grams NEC. Next we have Comet Tail Roman Candle, which offers silver comets and has a net explosive content of 5.1 grams again. Next we have Colour Roman Candle, which has a net explosive content of 6.4, so it's a bit bigger than the usual other ones, and has red green pearls. And also within this box you do get a safety one. Please read it, go through it thoroughly. Yeah, I can't speak today. And make sure you understand how to use these fireworks. I'm going to leave that there for the rest of the video and get to lighting sticks. So what you do is you light it here, and then it'll offer you an ember to go touch the green fuse, and then we'll light. And that's the bonfire night box. So that's one box out of 3. Next we have the celebration box. It would help if I got it the right way around. By SO Fireworks, which is Bright Star. So let's get right into this one. This has a net explosive content of 221 grams. So it's a bit less than the bonfire night one. We'll see what it offers. I'm going to put this one down due to there's a lot more to go through. So first of all, we'll go to the biggest fountain, which is Fabulous Fountain, and has a net explosive content of 28 grams, which offers silver glitter to blue stars with green glitter chrysanthemum. Next we have Silverfish, which offers coloured stars and chrysanthemum, 14 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Springing Surprise, which has red, green, white glitter and crackly. Next, and it has an explosive content of 14 grams. Next we have, that's a weird H, Super Bowler. That looks like H to me, but that's weird. I don't like that. The way that is, that font, which has a golden glitter with silver chrysanthemum and 12 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Summer Flowers, which has an explosive content of 14 grams, which offers effect of green stars with white chrysanthemum. Next we have, I believe it's the same. Yes, it is. So you get 2 of them. Next we have Sunset Surprise, which offers an effect of red, green stars with white glitter, 14 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Colour Chrysanthemum, which has blue and green stars. So I believe that we had this in the Bright Star one. So maybe they brought it within the SO branding. We have again this another summer bowler. Next we have Tom of Trezens. I don't know. I can't really read that one. Blue and crackling stars, 12 grams of net explosive content. Who comes up with the names within these boxes? I mean, really? Come on. And next we have an Olympics wheel. This one does not have a nail with. You will usually get a nail. With this one, I believe I dropped it when I have opened it. It will be stored around the packaging. This has a net explosive content of 8 grams. So, yeah, I like wheels. The wheels can be really nice. Mine of Supremes, which is a mine which offers an effect of red, green pearls and golden glitter. 26 grams of net explosive content. Next we have mini cone, which offers a green flame, 8 grams of net explosive content within that firework. Next we have another mini cone, but it has a red flame with 5 grams of net explosive content. Next we have sparkling stars, which offers an effect with red and blue stars, white glitter, 15 grams of net explosive content. Next we have green tail, which offers a green, oh no, it's a crackling comet, which has an explosive content of 4.6 grams of NEC. Next we have a problem. The packaging's not right, if you can see this. So I don't know what this firework is actually called. I believe that's a problem with Bright Star. Okay. This has an explosive content of 5.1 grams and it reads red, green pearls. And again, there's a nail for that fountain. It does have the safety code with also 2 sticks to light fireworks with. So next we are going to go into the biggest pack, and this pack was £24.99. This one was £18, just a penny under. Next we have got Pearl by Firework International. This retails at £50 and has an explosive content of 717 grams NEC. Now this offers a variety of barrages and shot tubes and a crackling Chinese crackling, what are they called? They're like bangers, but not a banger on a string. So first we have Mentor, which has an explosive content of 84.6 grams of NEC. It does not have any visual effects of what the firework does. Next, again, we have Automatic Burst, which has an NEC of 55.8 grams NEC. Next, we have Missile Attack, which is a whistling cake, 100 shot whistling cake. Yeah, my partner's really going to love me tonight. Which has an explosive content of 60 grams. Next, we have Spooky Snakes, 96 shot, and has an explosive content of 72. Next, we have Spooky Spiders.
Oh, spiders.
And this has an explosive content of 72 grams. I
I'll be running away.
Two the same.
I'll be running away for that firework.
My partner does not like spiders whatsoever. Bless her. Next we have Turin the Bull, which I've heard is really, really good. This has a net explosive content of 67.2 grams NEC, and that is the layout for that firework. Next we have Lightning Strike, which has unfortunately had a design flaw, because you can barely see it because it's written in white and then the lightning's white and it goes right through the lightning. So this is a 9-shot cake and it offers 55 grams of net explosive content. Next we have Crackling Snake. This has a net explosive content of 92 grams. Wow, that were a bit harder to find, that one. Next we have Shockwave, 1 shot. And this has a net explosive content of 7.7 grams of NEC. Next we have another one of them and another one. So we've got 3 of the same one. Going on to fountains, this has a colourful, moody, mellowed fountain. Yeah. Has 25 grams of NEC. Got a lot of fireworks to go through tonight. Next we have Golden Flower, which has a net explosive content of 40. We have it's 2 of them, sorry. I better not do that, that's a bit high. And we have another one of the so within this pack you get a packing list and a lighting stick. So let me bring these down. So that's all for today, my firework pyro fanatics. I am sorry it's been a long one. This is an unboxing. None of these are going to make it past tonight because I am testing these out for my friend down at Discount Fireworks. So I've been the Boss Fireworks, a beautiful partner on the camera. She's got her own channel. Please go check her out. She's Katie's Boutique. So please hit the like button on both of our videos. Subscribe to both of us. Keep it real. Be safe.